Hello students, I, Sneha Sharma, your English teacher, welcomes you to your English 1 class. So today class we will start chapter 8, pronouns. So your chapter 8 is pronouns. So let us start. We have to read this conversation between these two people, okay? Read what Sumit is telling his elder sister about Anil. So this person is Sumit and this is his elder sister. And they are talking about whom? About Anil. Okay. So the sister asks, Sumit, did you see Anil today? So she is asking that did he see Anil today? Yes, I saw Anil today. Anil was wearing a smart shirt. Everyone asked Anil why Anil was dressed so well. Anil just smiled and did not say anything. So you can see the highlighted words over here. Anil in every statement. So what are they? Okay. And why is that the word Anil is used in every sentence? Why can't we use anything else instead of Anil? So we will come to know about all that in this chapter. So, in the above sentences, the boy's name Anil has been repeated several times. So, you see Anil, so many times it is repeated. If the noun Anil is replaced with words such as he or him, the sentence will read better. So, instead of using Anil every time, if we used he and him, then the sentence would sound more nice. So it would be better. Now see if we use he and him. See how the sentence appear now. Yes, I saw Anil today. He was wearing a smart shirt. Everyone asked him why he was dressed like this. He just smiled and did not say anything. So see, in the first sentence only the word Anil is used, and after that instead of Anil, he, him, he again, these two words were used. So what are these two words? The words he and him in the above sentence are called pronouns. So you see, he and him in the above sentence are what? They are pronoun. Okay. So what are pronouns? Pronouns are words that are used in place of or for nouns in sentences. So instead of using a noun, we replace that noun with a pronoun. So for example, I, me, you, he, she, him, her, it, we, us, they or them are called pronouns. So instead of in place of using a noun in a sentence, we use a pronoun. Just like the above sentence. Like you see, yes, I saw Anil today. So Anil over here is a noun. And again, he was wearing a smart shirt. So instead of using that noun, we used he. He is a pronoun. Okay. So this was the description of pronoun, and these are some of the pronouns that we use in sentences. So this was for the chapter. Now we will move on towards the exercise. So before we move on towards the exercise, this is the part we have to read. The pronoun you can be used both as singular and plural. So this is the noun you that we can use both as singular as well as plural form. Okay. So the example are here. You are a good singer. So you are a good singer. A means only one, singular. So this sentence says that you is in a singular form. Next, all of you are good players. So all of you means more than one. So players. So the sentence becomes plural. So you see, both this you as well as this you, both are pronouns, but you see, both can be used in singular as well as plural form. There is no change in singular to plural. Okay. Now we will move on to the exercise. So fill in the blanks with I, you, she, her, he, him, we or they. So we have to fill these blanks, okay, with the suitable ones. So my name is Ashok, okay, dash am Raju's brother. So what I am Raju's brother. So you, next sentence, dash is a good friend, I like dash. So you can use either she, okay, you can use even he. Choice is your, you can use either she or he. And over here if you use she is a good friend, I like her, okay. And if you are writing he is a good friend, then you have to use I like him. So choice is here, you can use either she or he. Next, the children went into the woods as dash wanted to gather berries. So why did they went to the woods? Because they, we over here you, they will, the pronoun that will be used is they wanted to gather berries. So not one child, there are children, so they. Next, dash is the man who helped me. So he is the man who helped me. Is dash your sister? So is she your sister? Sister again feminine, so she. Over here man was masculine, so he. Our class is going for an outing. So the class, the whole class, that is more than one person. Dash will go to Agra. So we will go to Agra. So next, fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. So over here you have to fill the blanks with suitable pronouns, okay. Dash has made a beautiful birthday card for her grandpa. Her over here. So what will be the pronoun over here? She, okay, because it's feminine. So she. She has made a beautiful birthday card for her grandpa. Rajiv and I play football. So 2%. Usually we play on Sundays. So we. How many sandwiches do you want, Aarti? So it's a question. So again you over here is Aarti. Raj forgot his pencil box at home today. So I asked him. So over here masculine, so him, if he wanted to borrow my pen. Have dash organized your cupboard. So have you organized your cupboard. This is Arun. Arun over here male person. He is my neighbor. So what pronoun we used? He. So now moving on to the next part of the exercise. We have to underline the pronouns in these sentences. So we have to find the pronouns over here in these sentences, and we have to underline it. So let us read the first sentence. Sheetal, Sid and I are the best of friends. We do everything together. So pronoun over here we, okay. So the next sentence, the leaves of this tree are big. They are green in color. So they. Leaves over here, more than one leaf. So they are green in color. What are green in color? The leaves. Mother, please do not scold us. We are very sorry. So we. Isha is a very bright girl. She always gets the highest marks in the class. So she. Those are Ranjan's book. He doesn't want anyone to read them. So he is the pronoun over here. I am afraid of the dark. Please come with me to the attic. Okay, so I. Okay. So this was all for your chapter 8. I would request you to complete the exercise in your books, okay, and learn the chapter, revise the chapter, and that was all for today's class. Thank you.